Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I serve you the premium gist about your faves. Before you go further, please do press the subscribe button. After watching, remember to click the like button, leave a lovely comment as well, and share this video to your loved ones. Thank you. This is serious, guys. Social media has scattered since yesterday. Can you imagine? Can you just imagine? Some people are crying on top of how Iyabo just chose to celebrate her happiness. Why now? Why now? Why are you people like this? Kilo de gangan. My fellow Nigerians, what is your problem? I don't understand. Please take the mic and tell us, why can't you celebrate people's happiness? Una must talk. You must always have something bad to say. Why? What is going on? Why are you guys like this? Imagine complaining how someone is supposed to celebrate their joy. Can you imagine that audacity? I swear, una not serious at all. My people, una know the shield at all. And this story just make me to remember Regina Daniel's story. As you people are complaining, talking trash on that girl every day in, day come. Why are you guys like this? You guys were complaining about Regina Daniels, that she got married to an old man. And look at this, our baby girl Priscilla. Choose this young, cool, handsome, vibrant Africa bubble from Tanzania. You guys are still talking. Abba. Una too dey talk. Una talk so say. Some say na PR. Some say na prank. Some say it's wedding. Whatever. My own be say, let people live the way they want. Okay? Let people live the way they like. It is so simple and clear. You guys now went so far to dig out the pictures of Priscilla and Eniola that they were dating. I don't understand. What are you guys trying to prove? Una go live una problem. Come carry another person problem, put am for head. Check it. Begin the hawk and they go for road. It is well. May God help una. Anyway, there's this comment I saw online, guys. The comment dissuades me, like say at the link sugar. So I need to share the comment with you. Make una hear waiting the person right. The first time you set eyes on him, you giggled. He wasn't even looking up, but we spotted him and you smiled. The moment he saw you on the plane, he stopped and stared. And did the same every time to us until he couldn't help himself and came to speak to you. It's always been love at first sight. So this is so beautiful to witness unfold. I can only pray that this smile never ceases, and the good Lord who brought you two together shall fully seal what he alone started. I love you both. I can't wait to celebrate with you guys soon. Happy birthday, my brother, Jumi Juice. And thanks for loving my little sister, Priscilla, the way you have. Isn't it beautiful to hear? What do you guys think about these guys? Do you think everything is looking like PR? Or is actually what we are thinking? Let me know in the comment section. And enjoy the rest of the video till I see you next time. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.
Hello, wow.
Mama, I'm ready to learn now. This is. Try!
Ready to learn her. Is this how you're going to go with me? If we want to go and fight a battle, is this how you're going to go?
Mama, don't worry. It's not about what I'm wearing. It's the art, guys. Jesus, mommy, we was not started yet. Let me introduce.
I don't understand.
I'm learning how to be an Agbero today.
Agbero Boibo.
Agbero Boibo.
That's not Agbero Boibo.
Agbero
Boibo. You stop with everything in your eye.
Okay, I'll do it.
And you want this first. Right. One more.
Oh, sorry.
Wash it back. Yeah! What?
Sorry.
Which one is yeah? Which one is down? You stand your ground like this, like yeah!
Yeah!
He won't let me.
I'm not going. Check out. Should we?
Is this like?
Oh, sorry.
I'm not doing.
He will die.
I'm a fiele.
I'm a fielo.
I'm a wala song.
Come on, wala song.
No, you have to put finesse. You understand? Not a smiling face. I'm a fiele.
I'm a fielo. Come on, wala song. Skiborobo.
You know they? I don't care say me.
I'm a fielo, mama. Mama is joke, man. Do it, skits.